Ayan na. So wala kaming nagawa ngayon. So busy kami sa pagtutulungan ng magligpit dito sa kwarto ni Madam. Ayan po si Britney at si Amanda. Kasi kailangan talaga iligpit ng bonggang-bongga para hindi makalat. Diba guys? Kasi may Amerikano kaming darating.
Ay sabang butang dia ba katungkuan? May ngana ba? Ang mga kumot. At punda tanan. Kaya para ang ingani tanan nga kumot, ingana tanan kumot, kato ning kumot nga mga humok, ingana tanan.
Magid shit ng kumot. Kani ba
Guys, lunch tayo. Ito yung ating lunch. Lechon manok. Binigay kanina sa ating bisita. Yan po. Lechon paksiw at ano. Iwan ko.
Let's eat! Lot of saging. Kain. Yan yung bigay ng mga bisita.
What is this? Is it like a sheep ring? What's this? That's a big fish. Big fish.
Sweet yata.
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour.
Kaan na mga yawa!
Walang pinday. Nasaan? Magkagawa
ng chicken.
No, isa kaya ako.
The third.
Ang kanan nga bag Gusto niya sa akuan. Kaya naman. Konnichimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Yan receipt.
Abay na mo yun.
Hala!
Feed daw, feed. Subuhan mo daw siya.
So, susubuan kita. Or subuan mo.
Ade. Hey, please.
Lola, where are you? Content.
Yes, content. So, can you feed me rice? Can you feed me meals?
Really? Yeah.
If it's okay.
Yeah. Subuhan daw siya ng iyong
Oh, gusto.
gutom. Gutom, you give him rice.
Yeah.
May rice naman siya, di ba?
Pero subuhan mo daw siya. Mamaya subo natin siya. You eat this one?
It's lechon, right?
Lechon manok.
Yes, manok.
This one is lechon baboy.
Lechon
What do you want?
baboy.
Lechon baboy o manok?
What's the difference?
The spelling.
Feeling.
Chicken. You get lechon. This one is fish.
And this lechon.
Yes, I'm waiting.
You check what's better. Sige ata. You feed rice. Yung rice. Good one. Yan. You check what's
I
good
feel like
ha.
I'm princess.
Yeah, princess. Muscle.
Rice
Eat.
muna.
Taste what's best. This is lechon baboy. This one. Laway. Laway. This one is chicken. Why you try what's best?
Okay.
What's good? What?
This is manok, okay.
Manok. Manok.
Chicken.
Chicken. Baboy.
Baboy.
Pork. What's good? What tastes good?
It's mixture.
Nah?
Mixture.
Latay.
Ah.
This one is lechon but they cook let's paksho. But this one is lechon only.
But chicken was more flavor packed. But
Ah.
rich taste, I like it.
Really?
Did you try this one?
Yeah, they already. No rice, no rice.
No rice. No rice.
You know tampaling?
Tambarin?
No. Kailangan
What
tampaling.
was the board?
Oh, siya kasabon. What's good? What's better? What
Try
tastes better?
fish?
Fish. You
Salmon.
say,
Yeah.
this thing yawa.
I already said that.
You didn't know? This thing yatay.
Pisting yawa animal?
Ala ka ba ha? Chicken, that's escabeche.
Oh!
Thanks.
This is the best.
Ah, okay. This one. Darna. Good no.
Good. Thanks, babe. Delicious. This is very delicious.
Mag-order siya.
Really.
Ginay, pero naman.
Yeah, busy na. I don't.
Ay sila. Taga-asa mo! Ay, taga-asa mo! Ay, taga-asa mo! Taga-Puerto! Ayan sila guys, so taga-Puerto sila. Ayan. Sila kaguluhan. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Viva fish or fish from ocean? Ocean. No, is it shibri? Shibri. What type of fish? It looks like
Bread. Pampano.
pampano.
Enough na daw.
Pampano kaya.
That's a very expensive.
Oh, really?
There's a birthday. They give the, di ba?
Ah! That one.
Can I do live? Is it okay?
No.
Why?
Bawat mo yung balita later.
Wala sa ako, ako na lang filming.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Itabiru.
Maman taberu.
Magpupusan. Baboy.
Ano yun na? Oh, wala? Instagram?
Is it what is this?
TikTok.
Ano yung kada yun? Last sasan itong bre?
Hindi na alam.
Saan?
Is Tamigin okay? The weather is not good.
Oh, really? I think all the time.
Galing eh.
They come here. Very close.
Kamusta ka, sabi niya. That's you, ah? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Sobrang damage. Sorry, kuya. I'm not from damage. I'm Hira.
Yeah, you know. Japanese passport.
Hira?
Hero. What do you mean?
Hero is national hero.
Yeah. Laku Laku.
Ano?
How's the story? He assassinated a mother, right? Eh?
It's a fish.
Yun sa fish na pula.
Ah, it's a blue.
Red.
Red? Red?
Red sila pula.
Itu lapu-lapu.
Mitay.
Lapu-lapu mitay.
But that's white. It's just cooked, that's why red.
Oh.
And the tomato.
Oh, tomato?
Red.
Oh, okay.
Kuya, turuan mo sa'yo ng Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie.
No.
Pag-ibig Fortune.
What is that? Ah, Hoisuru Fortune Cookie. You know AKB48? Japanese like old idol group. What's popular?
Oh! That's P-pop.
People?
Honest na pa.
Melmarcel.
Melmar.
Melmarcel.
Uy,
This is for lady dress. Ah, TikTok.
Kasama.
Okama. I'm Okama.
Kamo mo.
Kabati.
Kabati. Momo.
Si Kuya Hiro, kumain pa yan sa Cebu na authentic Japanese restaurant. Did you eat?
Hindi ko yan.
Namay.
Namay?
Kain namay.
Namay? Sakurajima. Sakurajima.
Ito ka naman pangyapon dahil.
Size.
Nalakaw.
Safety.
Ganun guys, may nag-swimming ngayon.